looking at this video.
What are you doing, love?
Packing up the rice.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Put that.
I'll take this bag out.
Get wasted.
You need a bag?
I have here in the drawer, I guess you. I'll just carry it there. You have a bag in the car, right?
I might take that milk too.
Okay.
It's only half a gallon or something.
Okay, then bring a bag.
I'll bring it back.
Good. Isang kaing ng kanin. Hindi yan, isang kain. Isang kaing Tagalog sa Laguna. Simutin ang kanin para hindi masayang. Tama!
Voila.
Wala. On the way! Remembrance from Guido in Massachusetts. Pittsfield.
Yeah, Rio Market.
In Berkshire. It's bag. So good. Look at my decoration in the drawer. Isn't that cute? It's a beautiful angel. She's a blonde lady. All is good?
Yeah.
We see already.
Yeah, look at the hose. Look at.
Oh boy.
No, that means I got to put the hose away.
Freezing. More leaves. Only the pine trees left now. Back to brown. Browness. Brown season of the year.
Yeah.
The beautiful North America.
A little bit over.
Why is there a black tarp on top of the tree? That's a beautiful cabin over there.
It's a beautiful, beautiful. I just want something small.
It's snowing. Mickey. Filipinos' favorite, aside from Jollibee. Order now. Mickey. Filet fish, french fries, and chicken McNuggets. How's that? Check out the coffee.
Java for the road.
McDonald's roasted coffee.
French fry.
But for real, I like McDonald's more than Jollibee.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm a McDonald's goer, even in the Philippines.
I really don't remember Jollibee so much. I mean, I remember going there, but I don't remember how the food was or anything. All I remember is there were 10 people cleaning the table.
I always hang out in McDonald's
It's westernized.
in the supermarket there.
Yeah. I eat them up.
We don't do this every day.
We don't even do it every week.
Just when we feel.
Once every now and then.
Filet of fish. It's really blizzardy now.
Here it is.
They're still harvesting over there.
Really?
Bunch of corns. Concesses European deli.
What's the matter for you?
What is this?
This is the market.
Market of what?
Concesses.
What street?
This would be Sibley, I believe.
Sibley Road. Okay, let's go. It's chilly. Should wear my coat. Italian food by Concesses.
Clear.
We have a chocolate mousse. And then, what else?
chocolate.
Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Everything is good and consensus, guys. You should go.
Consensus.
It's in what road? Sibley Road.
We'll see here.
A real
I'll get
Italian
Sibley and Pennsylvania
menu.
mixed up.
European goodies.
I'll get Sibley and Pennsylvania confused.
A beautiful grocery.
Alright. Peek out just a little
Pasta,
bit.
it's so good.
Pazza, pazza.
It's a ribbon. Good for party.